The overall function of the digestive system is digestion and absorption. Digestion is the breakdown of food into small molecules, and then they are absorbed into the body. It is divided into two major parts. The first one is the digestive tract, which is the alimentary canal, which is a large tube and a continuous tube that has two openings, the mouth and the anus, and inside it includes the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. The food that passes through the internal cavity or the lumen of the digestive tract doesn't actually enter the body until it is absorbed through the walls, and it passes into the blood and the lymphatic vessels. The second major part are the accessory organs, which are the teeth, the tongue, the salivary glands, the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. There are two types of digestion. The first one is the mechanical, which are when you chew, so a larger piece of food becomes smaller, and the churning and mixing of the food in the stomach. And the other one is the chemical, and is when enzymes break down the macromolecules into smaller molecules so that they can be absorbed. So to conclude, the four functions of the digestive system are ingestion of food, digestion of the polymers like carbs, proteins, fats, absorption of the monomers, and elimination of the indigestible materials.
The organs that make up the digestive system are the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, the small and large intestines, the colon, the rectum, the pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and anus.
These are the functions of the organs. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. Chewing breaks the food into pieces that make more easy to digest when saliva mixes with food to the beginning of the process of breaking it down into a form of your body can absorb and use. Then is the esophagus. Esophagus is located in the throat near your trachea. The esophagus receives food from your food when you swallow by means of series of muscular contractions called peristalsis, and esophagus delivers food to the stomach. Then is the stomach. It holds food while it's being mixed with enzymes that continue the process of breaking it down food into a useful form. Cells is the lining of stomach secretes a strong, acid, and powerful enzymes that are responsible for the breaking it down process. The small intestine made up of three segments, the duodenum, the ileum, and the ileum, is a muscular tube that breaks food using enzymes that release the pancreas and the bile from the liver. Then is the pancreas. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into the duodenum, the first segment of the small intestine. These enzymes break down protein, fats, and carbohydrates. The pancreas also makes insulin, secreting it directly to the bloodstream. Then is the liver. The liver makes multiple functions, but its main function within the digestive system is the process of nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. Bile from the liver secretes into the small intestine also plays an important role in the digestive fat. Then is the gallbladder. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile and then releases it into the duodenum to help absorb and digest fats. The large intestine, it absorbs water, salts, and vitamins, the stored indigestive materials until they are eliminated. Then is the rectum. When anything, gas or stool, comes into the rectum, sensor sends a message to the brain, and then the brain decides if its rectal contents can release it or not. And the last one is the anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. The lining of the upper anus is specialized to detect rectal contents. It lets you know whenever the contents are liquid, gas, or solid. The anus is surrounded by sphincter muscles that are important in allowing control of the stool.
When you have salmonella, a bacteria, it spreads through your stomach and your intestines, causing them to be damaged. From there on, the bacteria can spread throughout the rest of your body into the blood and causing serious disease such as meningitis.